You got a fire extinguisher on hand?
Yeah. Light up, huh?
Whoa!
Happy Mother's Day, everybody!
Hey guys, it's Ninja, and today we're going to be talking about what we did for Mother's Day. So, for Mother's Day, we went to my brother's house and he made us all a delicious Cajun seafood boil. I can't have seafood, so they made me my own special pot, which is corn, spicy sausage, and potatoes. It was so delicious. I'm literally not over it. Salivating just thinking about eating that again. It's so good with rice. And this is what everyone else had in their own big pot with snow crab and Dutchess crab, again with spicy sausage, potatoes, and corn. Literally the best seafood boil ever. He even made the sauce from scratch, and he didn't tell me the exact recipe, so I can't share that with you, but it's so good. Yum. And then there were even chicken wings. And then we went to his little VIP pool resort with all this great lounge areas. And me and the baby, we dipped our legs in the pool. He didn't want to go all the way in because it was actually, the water was really cold even though it was hot that day. And he was just playing with the pool noodle. I mean, look at this view. It's gorgeous here. And then my sister-in-law Shannon got me some surprise flowers for Mother's Day. Thank you so much, so sweet. After swimming and eating, we were just resting after being outside in the sun, and baby rode his first rocking horse, aka rocking lamb in this case. But yeah, he's like so big now, but it's his first time on a little rocker. He loved it. He was on there for like a good hour. Then it was time to eat cake, and my brother and sister-in-law stood in line for 2 hours in Japantown to get this special cake. This is a chocolate crunch cake. The crunch is like chunks of toffee bits on the top, and it's a Japanese bakery. So everything was really well balanced. It wasn't too sweet, and it was literally one of the best cakes I ever had. Like, this Mother's Day feast was literally delicious. I said literally a lot, but oh well.
Well, it took that long to light up, huh?
Whoa!
Take a picture. Take a video. Take a video.
Nice candle.
Wow, that's very nice.
Yeah. Happy Mother's Day, everybody. They call it a baby candle? No, we got it from baby.
The Disneyland was rocket.
I got it for free because the waiter heard me say, "Oh, yeah, they give us a happy Mother's Day."
That's a candle, Evan.
After that cold candle, time to eat. Yum, look at that, so good. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope you all had a happy Mother's Day. Bye.